In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to download PC games for free. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. So I'm gonna show you two methods from which you can download games for free on your PC or laptop, and both the methods are really genuine and authentic so that you can download the games freely on your PC. So for the first method, we need to search Epic Games on our web browser. Once you search it, open the first website, which is store.epicgames.com, and once you are on this website, here we need to tap on sign in. After that, it will show us this page. So as you can see, we can enter our email address and password to sign in here. If you don't have any account, then you can create it using your Google account, Facebook account, or you can tap on create account and set your date of birth, choose your email address and password, and then your account will be created. Once you create your account, then head over to the Epic Games website, and here we need to tap on download, and it will start downloading the Epic Games installer on your PC. Once the downloading is complete, you can just double tap on the installer, follow the process, and the app will be installed on your PC or laptop. Once the app is installed, open the app in your computer. After that, we need to wait for a moment, and here we can search for our games. So we need to tap on browse from here, and now we need to select a filter here, which is price filter. So we need to click here and then select free from here, and it will show you all of the free games available on Epic Games. You can click on any game, then click on get, and now the game will be added on your Epic Games library. So you can see it here. So to install it, we need to tap on install from the bottom, and then select your location path and tap on install, and the game will start downloading on your PC. Once the download is complete, the game will be automatically installed on your PC. So this was the first method. For the second method, again come on your browser, and this time we need to search here Steam. Once you search it, open the first website, which is welcome to Steam, and then it will show you all of the games available on Steam. So basically, Steam is a game downloading website from where you can download games, you can purchase games, or you can download games for free. And then we need to click on login, and after that it will show you this page. Here we need to click on create an account, and now we need to create our account from here. Once you create your account, then click on install Steam from the top, and here we need to click on install Steam, and it will start downloading the Steam setup. And then just double click on the setup, and it will start installing the app on your computer. So I have already installed the app in my PC. This is the app. I just need to double tap to open it. After that, we need to tap on this magnifier icon, and then it will search games for us. So we need to filter the price to 0. So as you can see, it is free now, and all of these games are free to download. So you can just open any game here. Suppose if I want to have this game, I can click on it, and after that click on add to library, and here the game will be added on your library. We can just close it by OK. Now if we go to our library, you can see the game is here. I can simply open it, then tap on install, then select your path and again click on install, and the game will start downloading on your computer. And once the download is complete, you can play your game for free on your PC. So these are the two ways which are safe to download games on PC. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.